Hello everyone, welcome to Friday Parts channel. Today we will talk about how to choose the right air conditioning compressor for agricultural machinery to avoid wasting money. Did you know that even though compressors may look the same on the outside, their internal performance can be significantly different? Choosing the wrong compressor can not only increase costs, but also cause damage to the equipment. Today, I will share a few practical tips to help you avoid mistakes when purchasing. The first method, check if there is a nameplate on the old compressor. The nameplate will have an OE number, which can help determine which compressor it is. The second method, if there is no nameplate on the compressor, you can provide us with a photo of the compressor from multiple angles. Be sure to take a clear photo of the plug and measure the pulley diameter and provide the voltage. We will help you match the right compressor. The third type, in special cases, if the customer does not even have the old compressor, then provide us with the model nameplate and we will help you check the compressor OE number. Please note that only the following models, John Deere, Bobcat, Caterpillar, Kubota, and Komatsu can query the OE number. In summary, when purchasing an air conditioning compressor, please follow the following steps. First, find the nameplate information of the old compressor. Second, confirm it by the compressor's plug type, pulley diameter, and voltage parameters. Finally, if there is no compressor, you can match it according to the model nameplate. Follow these steps and you will definitely be able to purchase the right air conditioning compressor. If you are not familiar with the parameters, just visit the Friday Parts official website. We provide clear classification and model search functions to help you quickly lock in the required accessories, which may be of great help to you. After choosing your favorite air conditioning compressor, let us discuss some key points of daily maintenance to ensure that your air conditioning compressor can maintain healthy and stable operation for a long time. 1. Use and maintenance. In winter, start the air conditioner for 10 to 15 minutes every week to promote refrigerant circulation and prevent water accumulation. Check the lubricating oil level every month and add the recommended PAG oil if it is insufficient. After 2 to 3 routine maintenance checks, the lubricating oil needs to be replaced. 2. Component maintenance. When replacing the compressor, the condenser and fan should be replaced at the same time. Check and replace the clogged air filter every 10,000 to 15,000 kilometers or every 6 months. 3. Daily inspection and maintenance. Check the pipeline interface and compressor seal for leaks every month. Check the refrigerant level every quarter and have professionals replenish it when necessary. During maintenance, check the wear of the belt and pulley and replace them in time. At the same time, check whether the electrical connection is firm. In daily use, pay attention to whether the appearance is deformed or damaged. 4. Professional maintenance. Perform a professional air conditioning system in-depth inspection every 2 to 3 years, including leak detection, refrigerant filling, and comprehensive inspection of components. Choose the right air conditioning compressor to ensure your equipment runs efficiently. I hope the content shared today will be helpful to you. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you next time. Friday Parts. Fix it once, fix it right.